this is Dr. Herbert Lonstein, and I'm talking to you today a little bit about seasonal allergies and how they can be treated through the use of acupuncture and oriental medicine. Now, we know that in the spring and in the fall, we have patients walking through our office doors who are suffering from red, itching eyes, watering eyes, runny noses, sinuses that are filled, chronic coughs, and tickles in the throat, sometimes hearing problems and feeling like their ears are stuffed up and clogged. What this is a hypersensitivity. Okay, so you're hypersensitive to pollen in the air or some form of pollution that may be floating around, and it triggers this response. Now, your body has lost the ability to modulate its response in these instances. When you should be going from 0 to 10 miles an hour or 0 to 20 miles an hour, your body in this instance is going from 0 to 120. So it is acting and reacting in a greater, more forceful fashion than it should, creating these symptoms, creating these effects that impact your life. And they can impact your life on a daily basis. Surviving with this type of allergy can be a miserable, miserable ordeal for a long period of time. So, from a Western perspective, what your Western medical doctor would do is they're going to treat you with an antihistamine generally. So that means they're going to give you a drug such as Claritin or Zyrtec, which is now sold over the counter. And what that will do is suppress your immune response. Okay, which is great. The unfortunate thing about taking these medications is often there are side effects. The first thing that jumps out of my mind when I see the labels to Claritin or Zyrtec, it says, don't operate heavy machinery because it can make you drowsy. And in many people, it makes you very drowsy. There are a whole host of other side effects that are possible from these medications. So, while they do work for many people, in my mind, it's not an optimal treatment scenario. What I would suggest is the use of acupuncture. Now, with acupuncture, we're treating primarily on the spleen and the large intestine meridians, as well as some local points that are done over the sinuses to drain them. What we do is remove blockages and allow your body to heal itself, or more appropriately deal or process the reaction it should be having to these allergens that are in the air. The really gratifying part about treating patients for seasonal allergies with acupuncture is often after 1 or 2 visits there is a marked, and I do mean marked, difference to which they are experiencing greatly decreased symptoms, and it's just a fabulous thing. With some people, it takes a series of visits, and what happens over this period of time is the body becomes more able to deal with these allergens again in a more appropriate response. However, what I do recommend is in the spring and the fall, you come in for a tune-up visit just to keep things under control. So, I hope this gave you a little bit of food for thought with regard to treating allergies and utilizing acupuncture. If you'd like to have a conversation or a consultation or talk to me about this, you can certainly reach me at 845-647-8866, or you can contact me at info@lonstein.com, and I look forward to speaking with you personally. Have a nice day. Thanks.